Welcome to Atlas One, our secure AI powered travel. So build by using ADK 2.0 framework and model context protocol, which is MCP server. So as we can I directly run it, and here you can send the link. I directly open that in these things. So as you can see, that is our if we put the link here and we add this output. So here in this demo, I was going to plan a 3 day trip for Jaipur. So so see how Atlas One handles. So in this you can see how Atlas One handles the security. So human approval, multi-agent orchestration, and threat prevention. So I just mainly do not waste your time and such things. So I justly write it, and just you have to be give you the display and explain it how it is working. So as you can see, I justly write it the make my 3 days trip plan to visit Jaipur. So you can see that before the Atlas One process the request, it is passes to a security checkpoints. You can see here there is a security checkpoint. So you can see security checkpoints. The checkpoints automatically detects and redacts the personality indefendable information. In this case, the email address is replaced before the requested moves forward. Okay, so in the terminal logs, we can see the audit event showing that the request passed to the scrubbing applied. In the workflow graph, here is a workflow graph. So in the workflow graph, the request successfully moves from the security layer to the orchestration. So as we can go to here, the orchestration. So at level so Atlas One also the includes the human in the loop approval setup. Before generating the travel plan, the workflow pauses and asks the user confirmation. So here you can see the user confirmation. I just result was yes. I passed it the yes. I typed the yes. The he was just confirm that. So after pressing the yes, so after writing the yes, okay, my the it, approval will go allow. So the system restores the execution state and resume the processing exactly where it is paused. Okay, so now the Orchestrator agent takes over. Instead of handling everything itself, it delegates tasks to specialized sub-agents. One of the sub-agents attract and itinerary information, where collects the travel advisory and safety information. These agents communicate to our local MCP server and use tools running directly on machines. So as you can see, mainly there is a safety, mainly our safety agent is goes on. There was integrity goes on. You can see, and there the orchestration goes on. Okay, after these checkpoints are there is passed it, then it passes some output. Okay, after that there is passing the output. There is some passing the output and confirm that the final internally. Okay, that is it. So now in the terminal we can see the live MCP protocol being executed. This demonstration how Atlas One combines multiple specialized agents and local tools to build a complete travel plan. Okay, so once all tasks are completed, there you can see the all tasks completed. Here it is. Here you can see the whole task is completed. We can see we can see the user receives the well structured travel guide. So here is the travel guide. So a travel guide containing recommended attractions, weather guidance, and important local travel information. Visual. So here is we can measure attraction such an Eiffel Tower. So you can see. So the travel Jaipur Internet. So day one he was planning the heart of the city, forts and panoramic views, culture and relaxations. He was generating absolutely great thing. So it was an agent through which I make it like. So finally, let's test the Atlas One security defense against the prompt injection attacks. So The request is immediately intercepted by the security checkpoints. Atlas 1 recognizes the prompt injection attempt and blocks it before it can reach the Orchestrator or any downstream agents. The user receives a security warning and a crucial audit event is recorded in the logs. This ensures that the valid travel related request and process, keeping the system secure and reliable. So at the last, to mainly summarize you what was the Atlas 1. So Atlas 1 demonstration the four key capabilities: automated PPI detection and redaction, human in the loop approval workflows, multi-agent orchestration with MCP tool injection, strong protection against the prompt injections attacks. So together, these features created a secure, transparent, and intelligent travel planning experience. So, thank you for watching the Atlas One Concierge demo. So you can just see that there was such and such amazing things which you did. The agent provides security and gives such a lovely things. So that it is. That was the demo of Atlas One. Thank you.